Hi guys, it's Alyssa from Online Fabric Store. Knotted throw pillows are a really trendy and fun project that can be done with kids. They're super easy and can be made in a variety of different ways. So let's get started.
The materials you will need are spandex or knit fabric with some stretch, stuffing, a ruler, scissors, a hand sewing needle, a fabric marker or chalk, pins or clips, thread, a Dritz loop turner, a cardboard tube, and a sewing machine. Cut 3 strips of fabric that are 5 inches wide by the width of your fabric. For me, that was about 50 inches each after I cut off the selvage. Fold each strip in half lengthwise and clip the edges with right sides together. Sew up the edge with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Using a Dritz loop turner, flip the tubes you just made right side out. Hand sew 1/8 of an inch from the edge with a running stitch and pull it snug to create a sealed end. Stick the cardboard tube into the fabric and start stuffing the pillow. I am using the back of a broom handle to pack the stuffing, but you can literally use any old object you have lying around the house as long as it is small enough to fit inside the cardboard tube. Slowly pull the fabric off the tube as it fills up. Sew the 3 tubes together by folding over the open edge of one tube and inserting the closed edge of another tube inside of it. Use a running stitch to sew the pieces together along the edge, but don't pull it tight, just enough to seal the tubes together. Go around the tube 1 or 2 times with your stitch and then tie off the end. There's a bunch of different types of knots out there, so just pick your favorite and get to knotting. We're using a Celtic knot that we went back and doubled over for width. Insert the other end of the tube into the open end and sew the 2 together like before.
And now your pillow is complete. Thanks for watching this OFS project. Like and subscribe to our channel for more crafting videos, tips, and tricks. See you next time.